Guys, look at this. Wanna see me dying trial? This is what the neighbor cat did to me. Look at this. Look at this. Just yesterday I was pouring out to you about my distresses in the garden. Now tell me now. Even some seedlings, if you can see them right there, I had coming up, those are some spinach seedlings. Look at my pak chai right here. I have watermelon in this bigger container right here. It's a good thing they didn't sprout as yet. My. Tell me now. Ha boy. My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Hello, my gardening family. Welcome and welcome back to another daily gardening with Stacey, happening every morning, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. When it rains, it really does pours. I'm not going to let this deter me, Nope. Let me see if I can get out the seedlings. All right, let me just take out the container. Rest them on this. Oh well. The pak choi still stands its ground, so oh well. I am seeing more seedlings. A lot more. Another one here. Another one. Well, two, that one. Another one. Another one. I see another one in here that I'm throwing out. I'm just going to stuck them back in the sun, guys. The way I'm determined to grow my food, I'm not even going to let this phase me. Not even for a second. It is what it is. I just really hope that they don't come back, come mess around. It's quite obvious that they were fighting right here. Life of a gardener. So I've gotten them reinstated. I hope they continue to do their thing for me. So I had forgotten to show you this, guys, my rosemary. So I think the couple of days, what was it, 4 days? Just before I started doing my daily gardening, yes. When I was away from home, I came back to my rosemary with a few little greenery on there. And now, all dried up. All dried up. But I'm leaving it, I'm leaving it. Wow. Still smells strong. I wasn't expecting that at all. But I do have another little piece that I tried to propagate from that same one over here. It's not looking so good, but I know it's alive and well. So I have my scallion or green onions or spring onions, if you may, that I am going to stock in one of these. As you can see, obviously that my thymes, nothing now going for them. I've sown some yesterday, well, the day before. So hopefully those will sprout. Not just sprout, but do well. So I'm just going to stock them like this. Going to water them in and let them do their thing. Alright, so someone asked me about the progress of my gooseberry. If you look close, you see that that's the gooseberry they're forming. These little small leaves are a part of the fruit itself. And Mr. McLeod had told me that these are edible. So yeah, this is it right here. Who remembers this little papaya tree? This is actually a volunteer, and I just say I'm going to leave it. So I did actually strip my potatoes over here. So let's see what's the outcome going to be. Guys, look at my sorrels. They're coming up nicely. I totally forgot to mention yesterday that I also sowed some seeds directly. So not just in the container over there. I sowed some directly as well. So yeah, back up, back up. I have to have a backup plan with these pestilence. Oh, by the way, guys, these were on here just now, and I took them off. So this is the alk plum. Can you believe it? It's the alk plum. So I realized that I had a transplant fail. It was very stressed out. I realized when I was transplanting it, like the soil and the roots weren't together. Like when I put it down in the bucket, everything was like shelling off. But I said, you know what, since it's still around it, but that didn't help at all. So I realized it was stressed out. So I took off the leaves, and a while ago when I thought I was recording, I took these branches off as well. So I'm leaving it to focus on itself, can focus on its main stem, and focus on getting itself reinstated. So yeah, that. Look at sweet top leaves. Yep, that's what I'm dealing with. Look, one fell under there. Look at leaves. Every day I'm dealing with them. Alright guys, so I did actually plant me some pumpkins over there. So you can see they start to sprout. I think I see corn. Yeah, man. You're probably not going to see, but I see corn. I saw another one, It slipped me. Oh, see it here? So another one here. So yes, they're starting to do their thing over here. I'm actually going to pull this eggplant, It is now retired. Yeah. I keep forgetting in the mornings, but I'm actually going to pull it this day, today. All of you who newly came on board, my faithful supporters, my channel members, thank you so much, everyone. I sincerely appreciate you all. I want to say thank you also to all the persons that dropped me a super thanks. I sincerely appreciate it. Thank you so much to everyone that keeps sharing out my videos. I can't begin to tell you how much I am grateful and so thankful for that. Thank you all so much for your tips, your suggestions, your critique, your recommendations. I mean, even if it's just an emoji, I welcome all of your comments. It really does help me and my channel. For even just taking the time out to watch my videos, I appreciate you. Whether you subscribe or not, I appreciate you loads. And by the way, why haven't you not subscribed? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and become a part of the Gardening with Stacey family, man. Like a real family. Yeah. So really and truly, I am quite intentional in showing you what happens in the garden, showing you my day-to-day occurrences. Like it's not always happy. I mean, I won't be able to show you everything. I can very much choose what I show you on here, but I just want to be as transparent as possible because I don't want you to think that, oh, it's all going good for me and my garden and you're there struggling with some stuff or, no, it's not like that. And so it is my pleasure to just share as is, as it goes from day to day. All right. So stay with me on the journey. As we learn together, we'll progress together. And whatever information I have, I will impart on you, and you have been imparting the information on me, I tell you, and I appreciate it. So let's do this. We got this. Just the same, I can show you my harvest. I can show you what happens before the harvest. What I came out to this morning is one such. Thank you so much for watching, and until tomorrow, walk good. Come garden with me now, man.